Everyone, welcome back to the Good Country Living channel. Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. Today, again, another gloomy, cloudy day. Not much to get done, but I'm gonna go in, haul a couple loads of water, and yeah, I'll keep you along with me. Again, hope everyone's staying safe. Big thumbs up out there to all the healthcare and frontline workers. You're doing a great job during this time, and we can't thank you enough for all your efforts. So hope you guys are staying safe, having fun. Catch you on the flip side. Freightliner. Gonna go help fill a pool. So one last check around. I completed my circle check already. Paperwork to fill out before I head out, and just gonna do one more circle check. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Straps are all on. Tires are good, no cracks. This is just to make sure I didn't forget anything. Hose. Perfect. No water left on. Free advertisement for all your bulk water needs. Call Poole Water Supply. Already in. Working on load number 2. Not much has changed. Still cloudy. Show you the level when it's done this load. See on the flip. Boom. About 2 loads there. Almost done this load. About halfway up that pool. As you can see, it's raining out now. It's lovely. It's lovely. Start the trip. Filling up load number 2 for the pool. This is how I like it. It's hard to control all the leak, but hey, a lot better than it was. So quiet. So quiet. Hey everyone, I again wanted to thank everybody for taking time to watch this video. Again, another gloomy evening. No sunset back out here in the country, so stay tuned. Hopefully we can get a couple good sunsets coming up this weekend. Who knows? But I think for me, I really appreciate everybody that's taken the time to watch my videos. Really appreciate all the comments and likes and shares and family members and friends that are taking the time to watch all this. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the videos that I'm putting together, and keep pumping them out. Yeah, so I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's staying safe. Like I said earlier, big thumbs up out to those frontline and all healthcare workers right now during all this. They're truly doing an unbelievable job, and yeah, we couldn't be doing what we're doing positively right now without them. So big kudos to them. Yeah, so hope everybody's staying safe. Be kind. Catch you on the flip. Hope you enjoyed.